Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today's a really cool one. So we are going to review a product that was sent over to us. So there you go right here. Movo was so generous enough to send us the Edge-Di wireless microphone. This, guys, is a game changer for content creators that want to improve the quality of their sound. The Edge-Di is for Apple products. They also have Android products if you would like to shoot content on your phone and you have an Android device. So in a little while, I'm going to go ahead and open up the box and show you guys what's in the box, as well as how I pair it up with my Apple device. So when you open the box, you will see the case. This is what the case looks like. In the box, in this case particularly, there is the receiver, the transmitter, the lavalier microphone, the lapel clip, the windscreen, as well as a pairing pin. So let's go ahead and open this up so that you guys can see all the pieces that are inside. So guys, this is the lavalier microphone with the lapel clip attached, as well as the windscreen. Also, this is the wireless transmitter, and this is the receiver. Now this is the piece that you're going to connect to your Apple product. All right guys, so that is the end of the video. So the next clips that you'll see from me would be using my new device with my Apple product so that we can see the new quality. So we're gonna make a comparison. Right now I do not have the lavalier microphone attached, so we're gonna go ahead and attach that and turn it on so that we can see the audio quality. Once again, guys, as you can see, the lavalier microphone is attached and the audio is much improved. So I'll be leaving a link in the description box below of the product. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.